Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is find factors of a polynomial, and we have given the polynomial p square plus 4p plus 4. P square plus 4p plus 4. Now p square plus 4 can be written as 2 into p plus 4. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This 4 can be written as square of 2, that is 2 square. So it is p plus 2 bracket square as a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b bracket square. So it is p plus 2 p plus 2. So the factors of p square plus 4p plus 4 is p plus 2 p plus 2.